How to use the At a Glance widget on your Google Pixel device. Now this is the feature right here. This widget shows useful information on your home screen like weather or calendar events or even flight updates. You can turn this feature on or off. Now this widget shows useful information right on your home screen like the weather or calendar events or even like flight updates. Now I will show you how to use it. First I'm gonna get rid of it. Now tap and hold on your home screen, click on widgets, search glance. It will show you right on top. So click here, then tap and hold, and then place it on your home screen. Now you can select whatever style you want. This is semi-transparent, this is solid, this is transparent. I'll go for this one. And then you can place it wherever you like. You can also customize it from here. Click on customize. You can control what information to show, but for me, I'm just gonna keep everything turned on, and that's it. This is how to use At a Glance widget on your Google Pixel device. Thanks for watching.